Hey everyone, it's me, Matt. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, and I wish I was coming to you under different circumstances. But as most of you are probably already aware, we've got another major hurricane headed toward Florida. This one is supposed to come ashore on the west coast of Central Florida in the Tampa Bay area and cross over the state overnight and exit out into the Atlantic tomorrow, Thursday, October 10th. Today is October 9th, it's just before noon. The 11 a.m. advisory has my area, downtown Orlando, on the northern edge of the cone of uncertainty. Sorry, there's a car driving by. I'm not mic'd up, so let me let this car pass. So yeah, there's gonna be some background noise with this video. But the storm's supposed to come ashore late tonight, I think like midnight to 2 a.m. in the Sarasota area, and then cross over. It's supposed to be to the south of my area, I think 50 to 60 miles south is the current projection, current path, in the early morning hours. So the worst of it is supposed to pass early morning into tomorrow morning on Thursday. So I will have daylight, so I've got my phone charged and I've got my charging banks ready. I'm gonna try and capture as much of it as I can, and then after the storm passes, I'll get out and survey the damage. I think it's going to be pretty similar to what we experienced during Hurricane Irma in 2017. They're saying currently that the projected winds for my area as it passes will be category 1 hurricane strength. They say sustained winds of 45 to 60 miles per hour with gusts of 80 miles per hour plus. But that all changes with each of the advisories as the storm gets closer to land. They kind of adjust expectations and the projected path, but as of right now, that's what I know. So yeah, I've prepared my garden yet again for another hurricane. So if you saw my video from 2 weeks ago, I prepped my garden for Hurricane Helene. We were never in the direct path of Hurricane Helene, but that storm was so wide, they were expecting impacts in Central Florida. So I prepped the garden for the worst, hoping for the best, and we fared very well. There was minor tree damage, tree branch and leaf debris scattered about, but nothing crazy. The storm will be much different since it's going to be passing so close to my area. But you can see behind me, I've got all of my porch plants and back patio plants sheltered under my carport. I've got room here to pull my car in. I'm going to do that right after I finish this video. And then I'm going to wrap up today by doing a little tree trimming, and I'm actually going to trim one of the trunks off of my large bird of paradise plant in front of my front bedroom window. It's rubbing up against the house. So the bulk of my preparations have been done. Like I said, it's just some minor tree trimming today, and then I'll be ready to go. But I'm thinking about everyone who's in the path of this storm. It's gonna be a wild next 24 to 48 hours. Do your best to evacuate if you've been told to evacuate. Like I said in the prior video, when I prepped for Helene, you can hide from wind, you can't hide from water. Your material possessions can be replaced, but your life cannot. So make sure to get out of the way of this storm if you're in an area that's prone to flooding or a storm surge warned area. So again, I'm ready for what's ever headed my way, prepared for the worst and hoping for the best. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.